Well, hello the internet, and I want to talk about fidget spinners again. Since the last time I made this fidget spinner, and I enjoy that, I've actually bought this one, and my favorite one is this one with gears. I love it's really kind of fun. That was, I believe it was about $18 on Amazon. And I can put a link to this one in the descriptions. But one of my favorite tricks is stacking the two and then just kind of snapping, and one goes one way and the other goes the other way. It's kind of just a neat thing to do. So I thought, when I was talking to some people, how neat it would be to get two spinners and join them together. I bought these at a grocery store. They're just a couple little cheap ones. I would take a pad off of each one, and I have this piece of dowel rod. I'm going to just cut about ½ an inch off, and I'm going to join the two together and make a double spinner. I keep looking at the screen and not the camera eye, so forgive me. So we'll go ahead and do that. Alright, so here we have our two generic ones. They light up. I got these at the grocery store. I want the bulby part. See how one kind of... Okay, anyway. This side pushes in. I want the side you can push in on the outside, which means these are coming off. And these are just friction fit in there. They're just pushed in there. So you can use a knife or a screwdriver and just pop it out. And same with this one, pop it out. Now I have this dowel rod. It's a 5/16, and I found that it fits in there pretty snugly. And if you're not sure what size is in there, because this could be any size, it doesn't necessarily have to be the same as mine. So just pop that in cap off, go to your hardware store and find one that fits in there snugly. Now, it's about a ¼ inch deep in there, so I need to cut off about a ½ inch, which I already have marked. So I'll just use my knife to cut it off because it's pretty soft. Tiger, what are you doing? Let's see that. Yeah, that snaps right off now. Alright, be careful when you're cutting this. Now that I have my little piece of dowel rod, I just push it into one, push it into the other one, and they have a nice clearance so they won't hit each other. And now it's essentially one. You can hold one and spin one, and that is exactly what I was looking for. Alright. There we go. That's our double. You can use whatever combination you want. I would suggest getting similar ones. These are two LEDs. That's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Keep on spinning. I do love that. Check out one of these other videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.